Evening all. Well, we're in the New Forest again, and tonight we're going to cook chorizo and chickpea stew for supper. So I'll run through the ingredients, which are right. So we've got chorizo, tin of chickpeas, onion, garlic, and smoked paprika, and there's some olive oil in the pot. So I shall slice these up and I shall come back to you. Right, well, we've chopped up the onion and the garlic and we'll fry them, and then while they're frying we'll cut up the chorizo. Let's see if we can move you. Maybe we'll see. Right. Oh God. Right. But you're too close because you'll end up spitting too much. Right. Sit. Oh God. Right, let's let that cook down for a minute. As I say, we'll cook the we'll chop the chorizo up while that's cooking. Alright, cow's just gone past. Give that a stir. It doesn't burn. I'd probably at home, with a bit more room, put the chorizo in at the same time as the onion and garlic. But we're a bit limited on space, so hence why we'll put those in, the chorizo in a minute when we cut it up. That's why you should hold it with two hands. Right, that's all chopped. Right, let's put that in now. Let those oils come out of the chorizo. That's it. Right. I shall cook that down for a bit. And I'll come back to you in a minute, or a few minutes. Right, well, the onions have softened and the chorizo, well done, it's given off all its oils. So now what we'll do is we shall add our smoked paprika. Open it. So we'll add that. Maybe a little bit more. Probably best to stick a spoon in, it doesn't get all sweaty. Right, so we'll just stir that in, cook that for a minute or two. Right, that will probably do. And now what we'll do is we should just tip in our tin of chickpeas, water and all, everything. Just tip it all in. To be honest, the recipe normally, well, it used to be a tin of chickpeas and a tin of tomatoes, but I can't seem to, well, I can in big supermarkets buy small tins of chickpeas, because obviously I don't have the room, so now I don't bother with the tomatoes and just have one big tin of chickpeas, which tastes good to me. Right, so we'll bring that up to a boil and then we'll simmer for a few minutes. Right, let that come up to the boil. There you go. Chickpea and chorizo. Right, I shall go on and eat that with a nice crusty roll.